Namaskaram. I have been, last lecture I have been taking about a different profession and occupations of different people. Now some more things are left out. This 47th is advocate, a lawyer, a vakil. In English, as per a code, this thing, there are different names. Advocate, a lawyer and a vakil. What is the difference? Advocate means one who does advocacy. And lawyer means one who is specialized in law, as second so and so. Vakil means one who deals about the Vakalat Nama and all is Vakil. But in Tamil we commonly call as Vakil, Vakil, Vakil. Now comes sweeper. In north we say Bangi. Mostly you find from Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Bihar. These people, they do this profession. There is a Bagri, there is a special type of people called Bagri from Gujarat. They are sweepers. And mostly you find all the corporations and all, only these people are working. So sweeper we say in Tamil, Toti, Toti, Toti. And florist. Florist means what? One who deals with the different types of flowers and makes a garland. The different types of garland. Na? We normally give a bouquet for the good functions. At the same time, when somebody death, we make a round, that's called wreath, W-R-E-A-T-H, wreath. That's special type. We keep it for, even you can see that any army man died, they keep a wreath on that body. So that is different. Wreath is only for dead bodies and other things are for good. So that's it. One who deals a different types of flowers. Poo means flower. Poo Vyapari, or even Malar we can say Malar. Poo Vyapari. Vyapari. Now repeating once again, for advocate, lawyer, vakil we say vakil, vakil. For sweeper we say toti. And for florist we say Poo Vyapari. Poo Vyapari. Poo Vyapari. Now comes another important man, a sportsman. There are different set of sports. In India, many times our cricketers won the game. So it is also one of the great things to achieve medals and to give credit to our India. So sportsman, we say Vilayattu Veeran. We say Veeran. Vilayad means sport, play. So Vilayattu Veeran. Vilayattu Veeran, sportsman. If it is girl, we say Vilayattu Veeranganai. Like a VJ. So a clown or a buffoon, we find normally in the circus, who makes everybody laugh. It's called Komadi. Komadi. Komadi means a buffoon or a clown who makes everybody laugh. And then banker. Banker are very important in everybody's life. So for banker in Tamil we say Vangi. For bank we say Vangi. So Vangiyalar means banker. Vangiyalar. Don't say Bangi. It's a Vangi. Vangiyar. Vangiyar means banker. And soldier. Our army soldier. Soldier we say Ranuva Veera. Ranuva means army man. Ranuva Veera. Veera. Ranuva Veera. I'm repeating once again. For sportsman we say Vilayattu Veeran. For soldier we say Ranuva Veeran. And for clown, buffoon we say Komadi. Komadi. And for banker we say Vangiyar. Vangiyar. And now comes a journalist. Wherever any news is there, the journalist will be representing for different papers in paper, and they have to give news about that. But they are controlled by PTA, Press Trust of India. They cannot give any news without their permission. So Press Trust of India is controlling all the newspapers. So these journalists, they are writing, publishing everything in the paper. So Pathirigayalar. Pathirigai means paper. Pathirigayalar. Pathirigayalar. A juggler is like a buffoon, but it's not actually buffoon or a clown. Juggler means, for example, we find they are very intelligent people, but they do the comics, jokes, and make everybody laugh. But they have sensible jokes. Just like, if you find in our this thing, in Andhra, there was a Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman in the Vijayanagar kingdom. And Akbar, in the Akbar kingdom, there are Birbal. Though they are called Vigada Kavi. They are not buffoons, but they are very intelligent to solve any sort of questions. And they make everybody laugh also, to think about it. So that's what Vigada Kavi. It is an art, actually given by God. In Tenali was given knowledge by goddess Kali. There's a place called Tenali in Andhra. Even railway station is there, Andhra, that you have born there. It was Vijayanagar kingdom, Kaveri belt. Hairdresser. It's not a barber. Hairdresser means nowadays people require different types of hair dressing and also makeup for hair and doing that dyeing and all. No? So that's why hairdresser. It's called Mudi. I told you we say Mudi. Mudi Tiruthubavar. One who makes a style of the hair is called Mudi Tiruthubavar. Mudi Tiruthubavar. So I am repeating once again, for journalists is Pattirigai Yalar. For juggler we say Vigada Kavi. And for hairdressers we say Mudi Tiruthubavar.